In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a screen on Poco C75. Go in notification bar, simply scroll down. Here you get the screen recorder option. To record the screen, simply tap on it. As you can see here, screen recording option is pop up. To start the screen recording, simply tap on red icon. As you can see, screen recording is started. Now if you want to save it, then simply tap on this icon again. As you can see, recording is saved. Now by tapping on the folder icon, it will redirect it to screen recorder folder. Now if you tap on setting option, here you get the multiple settings. For example, you get the resolution. I have selected 1640 by 720. Here you get the video quality. You can select it higher or lower. For example, I am selecting 16 Mbps. Here you get the orientation option. From here, you can select the orientation, like if you want to record video in portrait or in the landscape like this. So it is selected to auto. Here you get the sound source. From here, if you're recording with mic, then you can simply select mic, or if you don't want to record any sound, then simply tap on mute. Here you get the frame rate option. If you tap on it, here is multiple frame rate. For example, I am selecting 30 fps, and here are some other settings. So now let's do screen recording again. I will simply go in notification bar, scroll down, tap on screen recorder, tap on start. I will simply save it. Go in the folder. Here is my recording. Tap on allow all. As you can see, screen recording is smooth and clear. So this is how you can record screen on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.